You okay? Talaga ba? Sa ibang mo. Eh, 19, ano lang to? Oh, you're so cute naman. Okay na. Hi, ang cute. So cute. Okay na. Oh, be careful.
10:43, 10:58.
Preston? Humber Bridge?
One goes through Bumble Bridge.
We're going to Preston, guys. Magbabas tayo for the first time. Yay! We're gonna try bus na. So next time, just me and Michaela. Ayan na ang bus. Hold na masin. Ayan na ang bus. Come here, come here.
She's early.
Wow.
Supposed to be 58.
What time is it? That's dirty. Yay! No passenger. Come on, Kayla. Go on the bus.
First time.
Go on. Mind your step. Thank you.
Went to the Christmas station.
Yay! Walang pasahero, kami lang. Go there. Oh. So you can see it. Ang aga ng bus. Tatanong kay Mr. kung anong ticket niya. First time, tayo lang passenger. Double-decker bus. Di ko alam sa taas kung meron. Papa! Papa! How much? 6 pounds. Wow! Huh? I think so too. Wow! Ay, so bright naman ang sayo, anak. You okay? Yay! Ay, akin na yan. Huwag mo kunin yan. Papa yan, no? Yeah, I'll get it later. You okay? Yes! Good. Papa. Kababa na tayo ng bus, guys. Ito pala.
And you're not crossing three lots of traffic. Inside.
Titingin lang naman tayo ng pants ng ating baby sa Primark's. Fisher Gate Shopping Center. Walk properly. Walk properly, Kayla. Okay. Pasok daw tayo dito. Furnitures. Oh, nice. Ang ganda naman ito. Unique. Let's go. We're fine what we have. The house is so small. Full of things. Furnitures.
At the top.
Can I sit?
Look at that.
Oh, it's a recliner pala. Mama! It's nice, yes? Ganda naman ito, so vintage. Ang ganda. Ang cute swing baby cat. Ha? Ang ganda nito. 130. No, don't touch that. Leave that alone. Put it back. Model ka dyan. Bibilhin na kita, 130 lang. Halika na, halika na. Look, tiger. Tiger. Bear, yes. Ang cute naman. You have no money. Come on. Hi. Do you have coins? Just to sit. Hold. Kayla. Yeah, tikitik. Yeah, you like it? No, you can't on. Oh, yeah, the light is on. Huh? You gonna do it? Oh, Papa will do it. There's accept card. Babayad daw si Mister. It accept card?
Okay. Okay.
Hold tight. Kayla, hold. Hold. It's okay. Hold, 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 hold. Be careful. Yeah, that's it. Hold. It's okay. It's okay. Ah, tapos na. That's it. Finish. Ah, cute. You happy? May hangover pa. You happy? Uy. Let's go na. Come on. Dito na tayo sa Primark.
Not ready yet. She's still in the shop.
Yeah, you can go down, Kayla. It's fine. No, she's tired. That's why I want pushchair. Because she's gonna sleep. Wala na akong maibang makita. Ito lang. Be careful. Hot.
Really dressy.
Okay la. It's not hot na. Eating. Yummy. Tapos na tayo mag-lunch, guys. Ano tayo nag-lunch? McDonald's. Punta tayo dito sa TK Maxx. Magaganda dito eh. Medyo mga branded sila dito. Ito nga muna tayo. Kabilang side. Cute ng DKNY na pouch. Ay. Ano to? 60 pound. Ang cute niya, guys. Mga makeup, ano. 12 pound. So, mura naman ito. Ang cute. Ay, ang gusto ko to. 12 pound lang siya. Bessie London. Ano tayo? Ang cute naman ito, guys. 9 pound. Lagay ito sa aking ano. Bessie. Ang cute. Ito pa, guys. £20. Nice. Ito, DKNY. Mahal ang DKNY. Aray, kumuhulog sa akin. Alam nyo ba, guys, sobrang mahal ng DKNY. Pag binili nyo sa labas, sa ibang mall, 19, ano lang to, 17 pounds. Oh, it's nice. Parang bagay ito dun sa mga, ano ko, makeup sa bahay. Paano? 19 nga. 17? 16.99. Ang ganda. Parang naririnig ko na ang aking ano. I like it. Same lang siya, pero ito yung black version. Same price? Yeah, same price. Nice. Ang dami nilang ganito. Ang cute. Ito maganda rin to. 20 pound. Maganda rin to. Parang gusto ko ito. DKNY. Ito, ang cute din. $17, same price. Parang magkakapareho lang sila ng prices. Ano kaya bibilhin ko? Ang cute naman yun. Sa taas. Kulay black. Yeah. Nice. 19 din. Para sa mga brush. Isa. Mas mababa lang. Ang ganda naman ito, isang set. £20. Isang set guys na brush. She look for me. She wants to go down na.
No, not that.
I put the sound on my phone because I thought you're gonna call me. You have to put it back then, okay? Yeah? Okay, look. It's fine. It's fine, you can look. Yeah. Wow, yes. Nang bag. Social. Let's go. Hold Mama's hand. Primarks.
No, where are you going?
Come on. Panty yan, panty. Hala, gana.
That's out. Where you came in.
Bye then, bye.
Where you go?
Huh?
Look at that.
Oh, bye-bye. Sending. Ano ito guys? 13 pound. May kasama ng bag. Maganda rin mamili dito sa TK Maxx. Ito, may kasama ice cream. Anong hairband? Abang. Parang ganito yung nakita ni Mr. kanina sa ano. Pero ito ay mura, mas mura. 24. Isang ano, store. Bango. Magkano kaya ito dito? Anong price? Mas mura. Ang kanilang Asian product dito. Ay, may pansit canton. Ay, mura lang din sa kanila. O, 45p lang din. Chinese din kasi kaya mura.
20 minutes to the bus.
Oh, okay. Nag-ano na ulit. Uuwi na kami, guys. Naman ako nakita sa Primarks.
And look at that face.
With ketchup.
We didn't have anything, no?
It still have the same, but we still have some. It's a Chinese. They're cheap also. Chinese products. Chinese shops. To Primarks next time. With Michaela. We're going home. Kayla, train? Did you see a train?
No internet there yet.
Oh, no train pala. Uwi na tayo guys, pagod na. Going home. Ang lamig, ang hangin.
That's great. I drive.
Tubigan mo. We're home na guys. Tulog ng ating baby. And wala naman tayo masyadong. Hindi kami nagbalik sa Primark. Bili tayo ng tubigan ng ating ate para sa school. Tsaka, ito lang, lalagyan ko ng gamit. Sa taas. Sa TK Maxx kami bumili. Ito ay, 17 pound pala to. Ranch Zoe. Ang ganda niya. Ang hirap ko na buksan. Ang cute, meron siyang organizer sa loob. So, yun lang ayos ang ating nabili. Ito, ilalagyan ko ng mga panglinas ng ating face. Ang cute niya.